Bencho. So we're starting our ride here, but it is now like 50 kilometers from home. These are our bikes with my brothers.
Hey guys, welcome to Jerry is Fun channel, and we are going to Barkhadi.
Yes.
And this time it's 6:11, and we almost reached to the destination.
Yes.
Yeah, these guys have so much speed on the bike.
And it's cold, you see.
Yeah, bro, I feel so cold. See,
You see, he's not wearing anything, and we are here with everything here. We are now drinking some chai so that
so we can feel some hotness.
I think we are left with 10 kilometers or 20 kilometers.
12 kilometers.
Oh,
It's almost 10 kilometers.
We should bring our wives there so that it's nice.
No.
This one 8,000.
8,000?
Yes, also Bluetooth.
What the hell? No man, 8,000. You are rich, bro?
No bro, this one is just you remove it, yes.
Yeah, it makes sense that it's
Hello guys, so let me show you my friends. This one is my friend, he's drinking chai. And also come, let's see this one. Follow me.
Hey, come down.
This one is my friend also. Now follow also this one my friend.
Hello guys.
Okay. This one is my favorite. I miss him.
Yes.
He's also colonizing me. Don't go there.
Remember my face. Remember my face.
See the reaction, guys. This one is my brother.
Yeah.
Yes. I last met him when we were going to Keshava. Is Keshava right? Yes. Long time. So we are now going, continuing the journey. We're watching this view. And everyone is dancing, having some fun. We are now going back on our bikes. Watch everyone. They are happy. Look at the bikes. First look at the Jerry one. Look at the bikes. Good bikes. Good bikes in this. Damn. Look at them. Let me give you some motivation about life. I don't have any motivation. What I can say is you guys, you should enjoy, you should have fun. You should visit these places as they can teach you many things. You can see everything, you enjoy. You see these waterfalls. Yeah, I'm enjoying. I want to swim now, but this one is not serious. This one is always there is always that one who is always gonna let me move 1 minute. Oh. Pajas Rupiah carrying you. I'm starting business. If you want me to carry you, Pajas. If you want me to carry you, Pajas.
I give you Pajas.
Yes, let me carry you, brother.
Yeah.
Which one, Pajas? Now I carry you. Pajas carry you.
You can charge 1,000.
No, Pajas per second. 1 second. Pajas. This one, don't worry, it will fix itself, bro. These subscribers, they give me money and I'll buy new shoes. Content. Do again. How the battery is down.
It's just started and
If the battery is down, you need to charge it. We tell you buy phone, use the phone. Phone you want to go down. Hey. We are still walking. Hey, it's too much. We are passing through houses.
चलो कैसा दिखा रहा है बताओ
अभी चल के देखा
चल ही रहे तो
ऊपर तक
ऊपर चल के ही जाना है ना
Woo! I like this vibe.
ये भाई तो अलग ही स्टेप है you cannot compare with Jerry
Me, I need 25 kilometers. Bro.
you can do anything
Hey, look, I'm sweating and I'm wearing too much jackets. I think I have to remove some of them. I have to remove all of them. Because this is too much. We're waiting for another guys there. We left them.
What happened, Jerry?
We are removing some things.
Yeah, Sam.
चलो चलो इधर
हमें रुकना नहीं है सीधा टॉप पे
ऊपर ब्रो
Right. Let's now go. We are continuing. We are moving. We have power. Kanava! Yeah, power! Till we reach the summit. Woo! We are only left with this Tora. We are only left with the less distance to reach the summit. This is the best time for us. You know these things, they need. Yes, bro. One time it will happen, and also another time you do it is something else, something different. This is us now on top of mountain. We have made it now
10 kilometers. We were walking for 3 hours, 3 good hours. Nothing can stop us in this world. Look at this one. We're coming from there, very far there. Hey. It's too much. Woo. Now we are looking for water. These guys were helping us. They went there to find some water for us. So that is, you can check what's happening there. I'm tired. I have to take some rest now. Whew. Ah. Having some. Me.
Spicy, guys.
Oh, yes, bro.
No! Yeah, man.
Me,
Yo, man, yo.
Let's put this.
देख मेरे को बोल अरे यार इसको रिकॉर्ड थैली है क्या कुछ ले आओ इसको देख भाई लोग मेरे को
Okay guys, we are back. Yes, we finished the thing. We did many things, eating, making maize, corn maize. Here they call it makai. We did everything. We rest, and also I was enjoying. I was having fun. Now time to go home. Time to go again. The 10 kilometers. Now we are going down. Let's see if we are going to make it. But what we know is home is the best place ever, so we are going to reach there. So no problem. We just need some energy, some power. We are almost halfway, but now we are still going there. This is like 1-2 kilometers. We still have about 8 kilometers ahead of us. We have to focus. Let's zoom this one. I'm yeah.
Come on, Yosin bhai, we are waiting for you.
Yosin bhai is coming. Yes. Oh, this is very nice. Okay guys, so we had fun, we enjoyed everything. This is the end of our video, and I don't know, I didn't want to end the video like this, but we're gonna say this is the end of the video. We enjoyed, everything was nice. So right now we're going to remove our clothes and enter the water and chill for a little bit and go. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share and comment, to tell your brother and tell your friends. Till meet again.
Where the shadows creep, whispers of the city, secrets they keep. Underneath the street lamp steady burn. Life's a game of dice, wait in your turn. City lights shine, but they never shine.